If you're frustrated because videos won't play in Telegram, stick around in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through all the most effective fixes, from quick checks to deeper troubleshooting. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to deal with Telegram video playback issues, so you can get back to enjoying your chats without any hiccups. Let's jump right in with the simplest things you can try. Sometimes it's the basics that fix the problem. First, restart Telegram completely. That means not just closing the window, but making sure it's not running in the background. If you're on Windows, open Task Manager, find Telegram in the list, and hit End Task. This makes sure the app really closes, which can reset glitches with video files or drivers. If things still aren't working, go ahead and restart your entire computer. It sounds simple, but this can refresh drivers and clear up temporary bugs that interfere with video playback. Next, check your auto-download settings in Telegram. Go to Settings, select Data and Storage, and look for Automatic Media Download. Make sure it's on for videos, at least for the chats you're having trouble with. If you see a blurry video thumbnail in a chat, there might be a little download arrow. Give that a tap. Sometimes Telegram saves bandwidth by not downloading big files until you ask, so this little step can make all the difference. It's like making sure the package is actually delivered before you try to open it. Now let's clear out some digital clutter. Head back into Settings, reach Data and Storage again, and choose to clear your cache. This removes temporary files, which can sometimes get corrupted and block videos from playing. Think of it as cleaning your desk. When old, unnecessary files pile up, things just don't work as smoothly. If none of those helped, it's time for some deeper troubleshooting. First up, update or reinstall Telegram. Open your App Store or head to telegram.org and make sure you're on the latest version. Updates aren't just about new features, they fix compatibility issues and bugs that can break video playback. If you're already up to date but videos still won't play, try uninstalling and reinstalling Telegram. This gives you a clean slate and ensures there aren't any leftover corrupted files hanging around. On Windows, running Telegram as an administrator can resolve permission issues that might block video playback. Right-click Telegram from your Start menu, select More, then Run as Administrator. If that doesn't help, go to Windows Apps Settings, find Telegram, and you'll see options to repair or reset. Just a note, reset wipes all app data, so be sure you have any important conversations saved or synced first. Let's not forget about your graphics drivers. These are what your computer uses to actually display videos. Outdated drivers are a frequent culprit behind playback issues in lots of apps, not just Telegram. Go to your manufacturer's site, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing these can be a game changer, especially if you haven't updated in a while. Here's a good test. Try opening Web Telegram.org in your browser. If videos play fine there, the issue is just with your desktop app. But if the problem happens on both, you might have a network problem or an account-specific setting at play. One last thing, if you're having trouble with a particular video from a sensitive channel, you'll need to tweak your account's content filter. Go to Web Telegram.org, open Settings, then Privacy and Security, and scroll to Sensitive Content. Disable the filter, and that should let you play restricted videos. That wraps up all the steps. Try these in order and you'll most likely have Telegram videos working again. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, and if you have any questions or another fix that worked for you, drop it in the comments below so others can benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials, and thanks for watching.